Welcome to MS Craftshop and the second presentation in the 11th-Hour Xmas Gifts series 2025. Today I'm excited to showcase the Christmas Mini Folio album. The folio measures 16.5 by 20.5 centimeters with a spine 3 centimeters wide. It's dedicated to the photos 9 by 13 centimeters and smaller, as well as bigger ones such as 10 by 15 centimeters and even 13 by 18 centimeters. To decorate the album, I used papers and extras from two paper collections, the Frosty Sparking by Craft O'Clock and the Window Rose by First Edition. This project is quick and easy because it relies on repetition, as you will see shortly. All pages of this folio, except for the flaps that can be opened in different directions, don't feature any additional solutions. The pages are either mirror images of each other or vary in the arrangement of their flaps and closures. You might be thinking, what a bore. Well, is that really true? I think the album is elegant and perfect in its simplicity. The repetition of the same steps make it quick and easy to create, which captures the essence of the 11th-Hour Xmas Gift series. The best part is that each flap can be adjusted to suit your needs. What I'm presenting today, as well as tomorrow's project, is simply meant to inspire you. All the flaps shown in this album measure 9 by 13 centimeters. However, you are free to make them smaller or larger and in any orientation that you desire. If you are interested in this project, I invite you to join its tutorial, which will be available tomorrow. I hope you will participate in creating together. See you soon!